Hello, everyone, and welcome to the channel. I am realystgeminitech, and today I will be upgrading the mic arm in my setup. Now, this is one of the old school mic arms that you get when you first buy a microphone, or if you're looking for something cheap and you don't have the budget to buy an inexpensive, nice looking mic arm. This is kind of what you use. It has the springs and things like that. And one of the major reason why I want to upgrade this mic stand is because it has no built-in cable management. I'm stuck using Velcro ties and it's black, and I'm kind of switching over my setup to more of an all white theme, but I'm still gonna have some black and color throughout it. Let's first start off taking off this one. And as you guys can kind of see, I did kind of scuff up my microphone by using this stand. So that's another reason why I do want to get rid of it. Actually, taking off the mic is fairly easy. For those of you wondering, the microphone that I do use is the Hyper Quadcast X. This is the first version. I know they came out with a number 2 and everything like that, but this is the number 1. It works absolutely fine, held up great. I've been using this microphone now for about 6 to 7 years. No problem, no trouble or anything like that. But this is the old stand. As you guys can see, it folds down really nice. It's just not aesthetically pleasing. Now let me show you guys the new one. Now the boom arm that I did pick up is the Fifine BM88. And after using this, I must say that this is absolutely perfect for what I need. And the best part about it is the price. Keep in mind, this video is not sponsored, but let's take a look at what you get in the box. Right upon opening, you do get the manual. Now, the first part is hollow, but this part right here includes some things that you will need. Here is the actual boom arm. It is insanely small. Now, this is the low profile, and it also includes cable channels for managing your cables connected to your microphone. And that's pretty much the whole boom arm. Now, right here in this box, you do get the desk clamp as well as the mounts that you will need to use for whichever microphone that you do have. It includes 3 different attachments, so it pretty much works with any microphone that you have. So let's set this up.
Your mind up, waste time. I'm prone to that, do it all the time. Keep your guards up, who waited line. You don't need me, please believe me. This ain't easy, you know I've been feeding. Let me unleash my demons on you. What's the word? Tell me what you heard. Tell me what to do, just tell me when it hurts. When I get you to myself, there's murder. What's the word? Tell me what you heard. Tell me what to do, just tell me when it hurts. When I get you to myself, there's murder. What you mean, you and me, I'm here all by myself. You around, she's around, let's be polite, not leave fuck out. What you call this? Hope it's not romantic. I ain't got no kids, so don't be so childish. Wildin', I be wildin' too, not like you.
Now, like I mentioned before, the best part about this stand is that it includes built-in cable management, so that way you can hide your cords in your setup just a little bit better. It still sticks out simply because the cord is black. If I do end up upgrading my microphone in the future, I will keep that in mind to actually get one with a white cord and things like that. But when I say this took maybe 1 minute to set up, it was insanely easy. Now, this video is not sponsored. I did pick this up myself, and I will have the link to this boom arm stand down below in the description if you guys would like to pick it up. And the best part about this, I know I said it was the cable management, but that goes along with the price. Right now, you could pick it up for less than 60 bucks. That is insanely inexpensive compared to $99 or even $100 for like an Elgato stand. And I feel like it's made the same. Now the material in this is metal and it feels insanely sturdy. You will have no problems with bumping it or shaking it or anything like that. This stand is pretty much the best you can get, especially for the price. I'm quite sure the build quality of some of the ones that are more expensive is a little better, but honestly, you really can't beat this. Again, if you guys would like to pick this up for yourself, I will have it in the description box down below, as well as a link to the microphone that I am using. That's pretty much it for today's video. If you guys did enjoy, make sure you do give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already. I do have a new video dropping next Wednesday, and it's about the monitor stand that you guys see in the background. So if you guys do want to be notified when I drop that video, make sure you hit that bell after you subscribe, and I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.